The open road beckons, adventure awaits. The horizon stretches out before you, inviting you to explore the unknown and embrace the thrill of the journey. Every twist and turn of the road holds the promise of new experiences and unforgettable memories. Are you ready to answer the call, to step into a world where every drive is an adventure, and every destination is a new story waiting to be told? The 2025 Kia Sportage is your ticket to exploring the world in style and comfort. Whether you're navigating the urban jungle or venturing off the beaten path, this SUV is designed to elevate your driving experience. This isn't just another SUV, it's a statement, a declaration of your desire for both elegance and adventure, seamlessly blended into one remarkable vehicle. The Sportage is a fusion of cutting-edge design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance. It's engineered to deliver a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined, no matter where the road takes you. From city streets to rugged terrains, the Sportage is ready for anything. Its versatile capabilities ensure that you can tackle any journey with confidence and ease. It's the perfect companion for your daily commute and weekend getaways. Whether you're heading to the office or escaping to the mountains, the Sportage adapts to your lifestyle. Get ready to turn heads with its bold design and striking lines. The Sportage's exterior is crafted to make a lasting impression, with every detail meticulously designed to stand out. The Sportage commands attention wherever it goes. Its presence on the road is undeniable, capturing the essence of modern sophistication and rugged capability. But the Sportage is more than just a pretty face. It's a powerhouse of innovation, designed to enhance every aspect of your driving experience. It's packed with features designed to enhance your driving experience. From intuitive infotainment systems to advanced connectivity options, the Sportage keeps you in control and entertained. Enjoy a spacious and refined interior, packed with the latest technology. The cabin is designed to provide maximum comfort and convenience, making every journey a pleasure. Stay connected and entertained on every journey. With seamless smartphone integration and a host of entertainment options, the Sportage ensures that you and your passengers are always engaged. The Sportage puts your safety first. It's engineered with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features to protect you and your loved ones. It's equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. From lane keeping assist to blind spot monitoring, the Sportage is designed to keep you safe on the road. Drive with confidence, knowing you're protected. The Sportage's safety features provide peace of mind, allowing you to focus on the joy of driving. The 2025 Kia Sportage is more than an SUV. It's a statement of your adventurous spirit. It's a vehicle that embodies your desire to explore, to discover, and to experience life to the fullest. It's a statement of your adventurous spirit. With the 2025 Kia Sportage, every drive is an opportunity to embrace the unknown and create unforgettable memories. So, are you ready to embark on your next adventure?